What if I told you that just 30 days of running could completely transform your body in ways you never imagined? From burning stubborn fat to improving heart health, the changes are shocking. But here's something most people don't realize: running every day can also have some surprising downsides. Stay till the end to discover how to maximize the benefits and avoid common mistakes. Running is one of the most natural and effective forms of exercise. It doesn't require fancy equipment or an expensive gym membership, just your body, a good pair of shoes, and the motivation to move. But what happens when you commit to running every single day for 30 days? Is it really as beneficial as people claim? Or does it come with hidden risks? In this video, we will break down the science of what happens to your body when you run daily, from the very first day to the full 30-day transformation. And trust me, some of the changes will surprise you. Week 1, the initial struggle. Day 1 to 3, your body goes into shock. The first few days will feel tough, especially if you're not used to running regularly. Your legs will burn, your breathing will be heavy, and you might even feel completely exhausted after just a few minutes. This is because your muscles, joints, and cardiovascular system are adjusting to the sudden increase in physical activity. During these first few days, your body starts breaking down glycogen, which is the stored energy in your muscles. This is why you might feel fatigued quickly. Your heart rate will be higher than usual, and you may experience muscle soreness, especially in your calves, thighs, and even your lower back. Day 4 to 7, the first signs of improvement. By the 4th or 5th day, you may notice a slight improvement in your endurance. Your breathing will become more controlled, and your muscles will start adapting. This is because your body is increasing its oxygen carrying capacity, making it easier for your lungs to supply oxygen to your working muscles. Your metabolism will also begin to speed up, leading to increased calorie burn not just while running, but even when you're resting. This means you're already on your way to fat loss. However, don't be surprised if your legs feel heavy or if you experience some joint discomfort. This is completely normal as your body adjusts. Stretching and proper hydration become crucial at this stage. Week 2, visible changes start to appear. Day 8 to 14, fat loss and muscle definition. By the second week, noticeable changes begin to appear. If you've been consistent, you'll likely see a slight reduction in body fat, especially around the waist and thighs. Running burns a significant number of calories, and combined with a balanced diet, it can lead to visible fat loss. Your leg muscles, especially your calves, quads, and hamstrings, will start to feel stronger. You may also notice that your endurance has improved dramatically. The same distance that left you gasping for breath in the first week now feels much easier. This is also when your cardiovascular health improves significantly. Your heart becomes more efficient at pumping blood, and your resting heart rate may decrease, a sign of improved fitness. Many people also report improved mood and better focus due to the release of endorphins, often referred to as the runner's high. However, this is also the stage where some people experience their first signs of overuse injuries. Shin splints, knee pain, and foot discomfort can arise if you're not wearing proper running shoes or if you're running on hard surfaces. Recovery strategies like stretching, foam rolling, and even occasional rest days are essential to prevent long-term damage. Week 3, peak performance and stamina boost. Day 15 to 21, endurance soars, and sleep improves. By the third week, your stamina will have increased significantly. You may find yourself running longer distances without feeling as exhausted. Your lungs are now better at utilizing oxygen, and your muscles are more efficient at using stored energy. Many runners also experience an improvement in their sleep patterns at this stage. Since running helps regulate stress hormones, you might find yourself falling asleep faster and waking up feeling more refreshed. Deep sleep is crucial for muscle recovery, so this is a great benefit. This is also when your metabolism reaches a higher level. Your body has adapted to daily running, meaning it continues to burn calories at an accelerated rate. This helps with weight management and fat loss, making your body leaner and more toned. However, be mindful of joint stress. Running every day, especially without proper form or rest, can lead to wear and tear on the knees, ankles, and hips. If you're experiencing persistent pain, consider switching to softer running surfaces or adding cross-training activities like swimming or cycling to reduce impact on your joints. Week 4, Full Body Transformation. Day 22 to 30, a stronger, leaner, more energized you. By the final week, your body has undergone a complete transformation. Your muscles are more defined, your stamina is at its peak, and your heart and lungs are stronger than ever. If fat loss was your goal, you will likely notice a leaner physique, especially if you've maintained a healthy diet alongside your running routine. Your mental health has also improved significantly. Running has been proven to reduce symptoms of stress, anxiety, and even mild depression. The consistent release of endorphins, along with the sense of accomplishment from completing a 30-day challenge, can lead to higher confidence and a more positive mindset. However, here's the unexpected truth: running every single day without rest can sometimes do more harm than good. While your body has adapted, it still needs time to recover. If you've been running intensely every day, you may start to feel signs of fatigue, burnout, or even experience minor injuries like tendinitis. So, what's the best way to continue after 30 days? Experts recommend switching to a sustainable routine, running 4 to 5 times a week while incorporating strength training and flexibility exercises to maintain your progress without putting excessive stress on your body. Final thoughts and call to action. Running for 30 days straight can be life-changing. From increased endurance to fat loss, improved mental health, and better sleep, the benefits are undeniable. However, balance is key. If you're planning to take on this challenge, make sure to listen to your body, wear proper running shoes, and fuel yourself with the right nutrition. So, are you ready to take on this 30-day running challenge? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more fitness and health tips. See you in the next one.